finally getting there. Paulie's fault, my fault. So we just quickly been through KFC at Queanbeyan. Now we're on our way to Dry Creek. Cheers.
Hey, I'm just walking out.
Mr. Cressy, how are you?
What's happening? Where are you guys?
And we're just into Bungendore right now. So I got to do a bit of splash and a dash when we get to Braidwood quickly.
Yeah, I'm gonna fill up fuel.
We got some Baileys and some port too. Well, I brought my Bailey.
Oh.
Campfire shenanigans, maybe.
Oh yeah. So you can have the most port. Yeah, I brought a little surprise chuck in the damper, so we'll see how that goes.
Alright, I'm looking forward to it. I'll see you there.
So this weekend we're gonna drive from Deua National Park all the way south to Wadbilliga. So tonight we're camping at Dry Creek on the river there, then we're gonna head up Saturday morning up onto Merricumbene. But we're gonna turn left off of that about a quarter of the way along, and we're gonna drive Oulla Creek Firetrail. It's one that we haven't done before, and there's not much on the internet about it either, so we'll check that one out. And at the end of Oulla we're gonna just hang right and just head south. There's a couple of routes that we've mapped out in the Google Maps for offline use, and we'll put those links down below, and yeah, we'll see what we come across. Morning, Tobes. Brand new out of the box. Don't go camping with shit coffee, eh? It is brand new. Oh, you got the killer coffee. I've seen that on Instagram. You reckon?
It's magic.
Come on, tell us how it works.
It's magic, isn't
It's yeah. These are magic because the water defies gravity somehow and goes into this top bit. Oh, jeez. That's definitely defying gravity. Look at it.
And the magic of coffee.
This is Dry Creek campground. This is a good campsite. There's a lot of little spots. We're camped up higher away from the river, but there's a drop toilet here, and there's gets pretty popular in winter, but I mean in summer it's time to hit the road, I think. Are you going home?
I'm going home already. It's finished. Pack up time.
Airing up.
Airing up.
About to start the climb on the Merricumbene, and this is the very bottom, so there's a couple of fun bits up here I believe from memory, so let's see how we go. All set?
Yeah.
got a lot of holes in it, that's for sure.
You did a big wheelie up there.
He said there's heaps of holes.
Oh, just there?
Yeah.
Yeah, he just sort of spun a big bloody dust pile.
Yeah.
What am I pulling up just here at the bottom?
Blow me.
Holy shit, that's steep. I'm coming up.
Comments from the super coach?
Super coach. Super coach.
No, super coach.
That's what everyone says these
Just gonna send it.
Send it.
Here goes Tobes on the big munted rutted out section. There's that rear bar.
Is that the bar?
Yeah, I think so. All right, here we go.
I cannot see shit. Run, Paul, run! You! You know where you're going, Toad?
That way.
That way. Sounds good.
Follow him.
Follow him?
Yep.
Okay.
Tree across the road. Gotta suss this one out. 100% chainsaw job. Path is clear.
Easy.
Good job. Where's Ledbrook? Slacker.
Something about the hill's too steep.
Oh, right, yeah. Fair enough. Say thanks, Dad. He got that tree out of the way for us.
Oh, good. I'll just drive over it.
You would have driven over it.
If I had a Ford Raptor.
So I've just reached the turn off to Oulla Creek. Looking forward to going down here, but we'll let Ledbrook give us a rundown of where we're at, what we're up to.
I'm just deleting. I didn't delete all these shit.
All these shit.
All my.
Soft jelly.
What is it?
Oh,
no.
sugar, you happy? Chips, no, eh?
Tell us the plan then.
Well, we went through our quick plan and what ours was. We knew as much as we were coming up Merricumbene and turning down Oulla Road, Firetrail.
Is your plan different to my plan?
Yeah, I'm sure it will be.
Quicker rundown. Bloody hell, we haven't got all day. Come on.
Okay, we're going to Duras bloody Cascades.
That's it, yeah.
See ya. Ciao.
Heading south.
While I delete my bloody old videos. I
going down.
need some more
Heading
room.
south, down Oulla, which we've never done before, and then we're going to cross over and head south towards Churros River.
No, we're stopping at Rebecca.
Oh yeah, Rebecca Road. Bit of action going on here. We'll bring it on the goods. What's happening, boys?
I lost a couple of bolts.
Oh no shit.
Oh well. We got one that we should be able to
Oh, hey, guess what I got? A shit ton of nuts and bolts.
You got washers.
Oh yeah, no, yeah. Sorry, I've only got washers. The racks come a bit loose. That's a mighty toolkit in there. All useless, but Tobes is doing the tree thing. Having fun so far?
Yeah.
How was it going up that big steep hill where it was like, I think Dad put double lockers on?
I don't think.
Or one? Two?
Two right at the top.
Two at the top. Fun?
Yeah.
Sweet. Were you scared?
What?
Were you scared?
No, not really.
No?
I thought we were going to use the winch.
What was the winch? No way, Jose.